Hello dear, welcome to my gig. My name is Sumon. I am a professional and creative logo designer. I have 8 years of experience in logo design. I have been designing many company logos to this day. They are all happy with my work. Check out my review from buyers on my profile. A beautiful and professional logo is a business introduction. A modern and professional logo can increase the spirit of a business. So let's design a modern and professional logo for your business. I will try my best to make your logo professional and modern. You check my portfolio and verify my experience, then give me the job. From me, we will get all features and files of logo design that you need with unlimited revision. I provide friendly service to my buyer. I hope we will be happy to work with me. Feel free to contact me if we have any question. Best regards, Sumon Graphics. Thank you so much.